Welcome to this incredible family home on over 1,200 square metres, offering 5 bedrooms, a large shed. I'm Georgie Smith from Wilson Partners, and if you're a golf enthusiast, we're on Fairway Drive in Kilmore.
Hey, we both know that this is right. So hey, why should we wait another night? Oh, I'm alright for now, but I need you around. I'm gonna love you till the